I'm starting off by taking my Hehe concealer to conceal my eyelids before the eyeshadow. And I've already done my brows off camera, but that literally took like 1 minute.
By the ones I lost, connecting lines of which we crossed, dropped off the scene that side, wishing to have one more fight.
Next up, I'm setting the concealer with some powder. I'm using this Laura Mercier powder. It's my favorite.
What's left in me?
Then for eyeshadow, I'm using this kind of mauve brownish color. And I only put it on my crease and then on my lower lash line. That's it. I only use like 2 colors, one a little bit darker and one a little bit lighter, and that's it.
Blinded by the light ahead, thought about just what you said, connecting lives is.
And then instead of using a primer, I'm using a face mist from Indie Beauty. I think it gives your skin like a fresh base and also make your makeup last a little bit longer. Then I'm applying some strobing cream or strobing liquid thing from Maybelline. I love this one. I don't think you have to use a highlighter, a powder highlighter later on. I just use this one to get a little bit of a glow.
Waiting for the.
For foundation, I'm mixing 2 foundations, one from Maybelline and one from NYX. This is just get like a perfect color, and I'm blending this with a beauty blender.
Someone to take me away, get these thoughts off my mind.
So for concealer, I'm using this one from Maybelline New York. I don't think you have to conceal that much to school, so I'm just taking this one to apply a little bit on my dark circles and like pimples on my face, but really not that much coverage, which I think you don't need. And then instead of baking and do that on my face, because we don't got that time when we go to school, I'm just using a color powder from Isadora, which has a little bit of coverage and mattens your face. So I think this is perfect because then you don't need to conceal and have a lot of foundation on and that stuff. And then I'm using a contour. This is from The Balm. I love this one, and since I have bangs, I don't really need to contour my forehead. I'm also taking a blush, and I'm actually using this kind of instead of a bronzer. So I'm kind of taking blush all over my face. But I think this is perfect because then you don't need a bronzer, and also it gives you like a very nice glow. Next up, I'm setting my face with this Urban Decay setting spray. I love this one. Your makeup lasts such a long time. I'm using a highlighter. This is from The Balm, the Mary Luminizer.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
now I'm using a mascara. This is one from Maybelline New York. I love this one. It gives you such a cute lashes. I don't really have lashes, like long lashes, so I can't really expect that much, but it looks pretty cute.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now I'm using a lip liner. I love this lip liner. It really matches your own lip color, but it's kind of darker. And I only outline my lips, and then I'm applying a kind of a lip plumper. This is from NYX, just to get your lips very glossy. And I think this focuses a lot about your lip because they look kind of big, and instead of keep doing stuff on your eyes, simply apply some gloss and it makes everything better.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands.
And now I'm done with this video. I hope you guys liked it. I really loved filming this one, and I think it's perfect for school. Super simple. I really love this look, and I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video. Until I make another video, you guys take care.